Thank you so much for clicking this video. I'm Sunday Yewale, and in this tutorial today, we'll be showing you how we make this draw this moccasin project. I have a full series of this moccasin project, but in this tutorial, what we're just going to be showing is how to draw, which the drawing is the most important of it. So to draw this, you have to get your pen, your pencil, your eraser, your marking tape, and your mold. Your last mold is what you're going to be using to draw on. That's what we're going to be drawing on. So come with me to see the drawing process of this step by step. The first thing you get to do right in here is to then mark it around. You can get to use your 2 marking tape, 2-inch marking tape, 1-inch marking tape. You have to mark the mold round, mark it around and cover it from the base, because we're going to be drawing from the base to all of part of the last art to be covered, because that is what we will be sketching on. Having marks it all around, now the next we're going to be doing is to then proceed to sketching it out. Mind you, what we're doing is we just want to sketch. We are not drawing, we just want to sketch it. So you will have multiple stripes in there. Don't worry about that, it's just a sketch. So you just want to sketch what you have on screen in here to this last, representing it on the last. That's what we want to do here at this point. Drawing this project is quite easy, and then working on it, knowing that the drawing is what we're going to be working on eventually, and the actual outcome of this project is going to be the result of our drawing. Knowing that, we have to take note of all details on this drawing. This drawing is very, very important. It represents all segments you want in here on the last. So coming here up in here, each segment of it, you need to represent it on the last, sketch it. It's a sketching, is not a drawing, it's a sketch. So you are allowed to have a multiple stripes on the last. You're gonna have the multiple stripes in there. Just what we want to get in there is just for you to have a frame of what you want to do, and at the time you're done with this sketching, you should have a clear view of that this is the project I want to do. Make sure it's fully detailed. Make sure every aspect of it is fully detailed. At the time it's fully detailed, that is going to help to get an accurate project out. The major features of the moccasin is that the sole is embedded underneath. Yeah, the many of it that the sole is just attached underneath, but in this project, looking at the image we're using to make this, the sole is embedded in between the leather. So since the sole are embedded in between the leather, you have to consider that while you sketching this. So taking note of the frame of the sole and the way it's going to be attached to the leather is what you have to consider right now. That's why you have to fit in the back to fit into the sole. This down in here and take notes. At the time we've used our pencil, we have a multi stripes of pencil. Remember, it was a sketch, so right now we're trying to reduce it down to a single lines in there. That is what we're doing, and after that we're going to be moving to making of cutting all the excess, the parts I don't get it to, for the image to clear out very well, that we're going to cut out right now, and the image is going to show up very well. We're going to be doing that with a clicker knife in right now. Okay, don't forget, I have the focus of this project. This is a free version of the focus I have on my platform on moccasin making. A full moccasin making course is available on my platform, on the platform schoolofshoemaking.com. There's a link to that in the description of this video. Right now we go to cutting it out after each area of it is being detailed. Take note, every part of it has to be fully detailed, and then we're cutting, going to cut it from the base. So right in here, we've been able to sketch it. We're done sketching it. As you can see, it now comes out the way we want it to be. So what you get to say is that the sketching you've just sketched in here is going to influence and determine your actual project, because all this is what we're going to be using to transform to make our patterns. I hope you like what you've seen. I'd like you to like, share, subscribe. And this project you've seen is a full series, and this episode is one of the episodes in there. To see the other episode of it, I'd like you to click on the notification bell for you to be notified when the other episode of this project is being released on our platform. I'm Sunday Ewale, and look forward to have you in my subsequent upload.